U.S. Olympic gold medalist Jessica Mendoza was on campus last Thursday to speak about her experiences during the annual Women's Studies Conference. CUTV's own Allison Steinheiser got the opportunity to speak with Mendoza.
With the theme of this year's Women's Studies Conference being gender in sports, the committee wanted a keynote speaker who had experience in this area. Two-time Olympian Jessica Mendoza was the perfect candidate because of her experiences on the field as well as off. When Mendoza is not fielding fly balls, she is heavily involved in charity work, especially with the Women's Sports Foundation. She got involved in the foundation after being invited to an awards event.
I actually got invited to one of their awards events and was completely moved by all the things that they were doing for women in sports, for young girls, and really for just getting people healthy.
After she attended the event, she was inspired by the creator of the foundation and wanted to support the cause.
I was very much influenced by Billie Jean King and wanted to help in any way that I could.
Mendoza had such an impact on the foundation that she was named the 2008 Sportswoman of the Year. She says this ranks as one of her greatest accomplishments because it is not just about softball.
You think about all these amazing women and to be able to win, not just because of what I did on the field, but off the field, it was a very exciting moment.
Mendoza is very involved in charity events, but she also understands that many athletes are consumed with their sport.
For a lot of athletes, they're focused on playing and performing, and I wish that more athletes took more responsibility in helping others, especially outside of their sport.
Mendoza has seen a change in not only the way softball is perceived off the field, but how the game has evolved on the field.
For a long time, to play the sport of softball, if you could just hit and field and kind of, maybe be able to run, but now it's about speed, it's about agility, it's about really being an athlete, being balanced, and you look at the women that play now, and they look so fit.
One problem facing softball is the elimination of the sport from the Olympics. This is an issue Mendoza feels softball in the United States is ready to handle.
I feel like it affects the youth game internationally because most of the funding came from the governments, which came from the Olympic movement. But here in the U.S., softball is a huge sport. Everyone plays it, and they played it before it was an Olympic sport. So I feel like it's going to continue to grow, and it won't affect it here in the U.S.
Mendoza is continuing her softball career playing for the Florida Pride. She's also working as a color analyst for ESPN. Reporting for CUTV News Center, I'm Allison Steinheiser.